Hey everyone, Metaverse Philosopher here again. Today we're going to be doing an Apple Vision Pro app review for Gears and Goo. Alright y'all, here we go. This is another Apple Arcade game, and it looks like it's like a puzzle strategy game where I think you're like a lizard and you're squirting goo around a map.
The new batch chief. Congratulations on your promotion to middle management. Soda Lighting makes the best soda in the galaxy.
Oh, you're making soda.
To undervalued and overstressed employees like yourself. Impossibly refreshing. You are to set up Soda Light production facilities on the planet E338. Scans show it to be especially rich in sodalite crystals and void of any organisms intelligent enough to protest us stripping it bare.
Oh my god.
Profit projections are through the roof.
Even in outer space, they have freaking profit projections and quarterly earnings. Oh my god.
Must have blown up the planet. We had just secured the mining rights. This backwater rock was ours to destroy. Truly nothing better. Very well. It's now a race between us and Ooze Corp.
Ooze Corp?
They want the sodalite crystals for their revolting frizzle pop soda.
Yeah,
We shall beat
down
them
with
to the
Ooze
punch.
Corp.
What are you waiting for? That planet won't strip mine itself. Get to work.
Gears and Goo. Nice. Alright, let's start a new save file. Whoa. Play freely with your miniatures in the playground. Unlock more by earning stars in campaign mode. Okay. Probably just start with this one, right?
Ah, there you are.
Nice,
Thrown
cool.
right into the carbonator, as it were. The situation might be somewhat fizzy, but the fact that the planet just exploded must not deter us from producing more soda light. Your job is simple. Gather resources and build a barracks. I will then instruct you in the fine art of corporate
Work.
Ego probes await your instruction.
Cool. Gather resource. No way. Alright.
Adjust your
How does
view
this
of the
work?
play area. Pinch your middle finger and thumb together on both hands and hold to move, rotate, or spin.
Ah,
This is
cool.
the base. You must protect it or you lose. You need to gather resources to expand it.
Okay.
Workers will do the jobs we need. Let's give them a task.
What now?
Chop that tree. Cool.
This worker is idle. Let's put them to the work.
Yeah, mine that ore. Whoa.
Resources can be seen here. Spend resources to expand your base.
Wood and iron. It's like that game
On the
Catan.
workbench,
Y'all know that
see
one,
what
right?
We can build with our resources. Buildings cost resources, but unlock new features. Barracks unlock soldiers, which will attack the enemy. Let's
Oh.
build a light barracks.
Okay. Whoa.
Open the barracks workbench to deploy soldiers. Soldiers also cost resources. Once a soldier is placed, it will automatically attack the closest enemy structure.
Okay, so I can just place it here?
Send me into the fray, boss.
Huh! Look at him!
This soldier seems a bit outnumbered. Let's deploy some backup. For the best chance of victory, send soldiers in a group.
Okay.
Deploy melee soldiers as backup now.
Go, go, go!
Assault in progress, Chief.
Go, go, go!
Ready for battle. Soda light for the win.
Oh my god, soda. Soda light! Whoa, this is cool. Look at them. Little minions. Another one.
Victory is within our grasp. Destroy the nest to win.
Whoa. Get him!
We've won the day, Chief.
Nice.
Management will be pleased. Carpe diem.
Very cool. I like how like when you pinch to resize it, it just pauses everything, but the music keeps going. Whoa, turret. Nice. Look at those guys dancing. Very cool.
We won the first skirmish, but the soda wars have only just
The
begun.
Soda Wars.
We must expand our operations before Ooze Corp outbrews us.
Alright.
Set up a defense turret and keep an eye on the sky. I'm told
What?
oozers might strike from above. Let's get cracking.
Alright.
Now what?
Start
Watch
chopping
out
that
for the drone.
tree
Once it
and
detects you, oozers
start
will be
mining
coming
that
after you.
ore. Wait. Watch out for the drone. Whoa.
We need resources to build a turret. Order the workers to start gathering wood and iron.
Okay. You. Start chopping the tree. Come on. Build the turret. We need more wood. Oh no, the drone's coming. Look at that. Come on. Hurry.
Open the workbench and drag to build a turret.
Hurry.
Turrets shoot at any oozer that gets in its range.
Yes.
Keep gathering resources and build a barracks.
Attack it. Hurry.
This is Kick-Ass 2-0, ready to dominate.
What?
We've been spotted. Flying oozers are coming from the nest, but our turret can shoot them down.
Oh no. Send in the boys.
Prey, boss.
One on the 5.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Ready, I think.
Look at him. Send in more boys. Nice. Send them in.
Hot.
The turret suffered some damage defending the base. Order a worker to fix it.
Fix that thing.
The line, Chief.
Send in.
On the lid.
Get him. Wow, this is super cool. I like Vision Pro for these like top-down strategy games. It's just cool how like you can like touch it and stuff. It'd be cool if I could like touch the tree and it shakes, you know? Give more of a sense of immersion. Nice.
It's a win for
Let's go. Soda Light.
You might just get a bonus for this, Chief.
Yeah, give me some stock options, bro. Nice. Ranged. Alright.
The oozers are expanding their influence
Whoa.
on the outpost and harvesting all the soda light. Destroy their
Whoa.
operations and claim those crystals for Soda Light Inc. They have also increased their aerial activities.
Dang.
But fear not, Chief. Our new soldiers will help clear the skies. We will prevail, no matter what those stinking slimes throw at us.
I like this guy's voice too.
This outpost must be Let's inspect the guarding units. To inspect a unit, pause the game and tap on it.
Okay. Oh.
Looks like it has a weakness to ranged units. Let's get back to the battle and see what we can do.
Alright. Start chopping that tree. Get that iron, bro. Oh wait, no, you go here. Where's that iron ore? There it is. Get it. Come on, boys. Whoa. I like the sound effects too. And the graphics are kind of nice. Like the animations. Alright, let's build a turret. We need our defenses, boys. Yeah, let's build that too.
Construction finished.
Nice.
Our new ranged soldier.
Oh, nice.
Counter-flying oozes. A counter symbol will show over-countered units while deploying a soldier.
Nice. Alright, let's get these ranged.
Tell me what to shoot.
Get that thing.
Look up, Chief. Incoming.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Dang, we're smoking these guys. We're smoking the ops, gang.
The Oozer's outpost was built on us. Let's build our own outposts. Send
Okay.
a worker to the Sodalite patch to start construction.
Yes. Get over there.
Attacking.
Oh, man. Alright, we gotta send more boys in.
Need cover,
Oh.
boss.
Oh, we gotta send... Oh, man, the range guys are smoking. We need more melee, though. Yeah, stay there, bro.
Completed. Great! A new worker to boss around. You could also build more barracks and turrets from the outpost's workbench.
Alright, we're gonna build barracks, dude. Send in the boys.
Ready, I think.
We smoking on that ooze pack. You get that thing. You get the tree. Yes. Oh my god, we're getting smoked. We need more workers.
A structure is under attack.
Holy,
Ready for battle.
kick his ass. Let's go. Alright, we need more workers, boys. Send in more.
Do my part. I'll do my part.
Yes, I'll do my part. I really like the sound effects in this game. Dang, those ooze guys are no freaking joke, man.
I'm a poppin'.
Get him. I like how it knows, like, how, when you touch your thumb and your middle finger opposed to your index finger, or pointer finger and index fingers don't work.
Sodarians.
Send him in.
Ready to serve.
Let's go. Send him in. Yes. Oh, man. Oh, we're getting smoked.
Charge. They're hitting me.
We need help.
Structure under attack.
Oh, no. This is hard, actually.
For Sodalite.
Oh, my God. We're getting smoked.
Our barracks are taking damage.
I'll uncap those oozers.
Come on.
Oh,
Man, they keep generating those guys. We gotta kill something, dude.
Structure lost, Chief. Might put us in the red.
Oh my god, our workers are getting smoked.
Barracks are under attack. Our barracks are taking damage. Lost the...
Oh, jeez. Alright, we gotta fight. We gotta fight, y'all. Send in melee. Send them in. Alright. Alright, bro. You need to... Yeah, you mine some of this rock. Let's regroup, gang. Send in more of these guys. Alright. Actually, you go here.
I go where I'm needed.
for Sodalite.
5
Oh my god.
Sodalite, for the win.
Alright, we need another worker. Yeah, let's get some more workers in.
Under attack.
Run. You boys go back. You chop some wood, dude. Oh,
Ha, typical. They're sliming a building.
Ready, I think.
come on, get him.
Ah,
Cook those guys. Yeah, we need to get more resources. Start smoking these guys. Smoking these goo packs here. Come
under
on.
attack. For soda
Nice.
light.
Alright, we're gonna need a... Hold up. Oh, they just attacked the first thing they see. Shit. Shoot. Alright, let's get a barracks. Actually, yeah, get a turret here. Alright, let's get the barracks too. There we go. Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna need some range.
Ready to fight.
Let's get some melee too.
Stop
Yes.
eluding me.
Let's go!
Target acquired.
We're smoking these guys. Alright. Send in more. Yes.
Oh,
We won, but the galaxy is full of
Let's go.
star badge chiefs. You should strive to rise above the average.
Nice work, y'all. Alright, Gears Goo Apple Vision Pro for Apple Arcade. This is super fun. I feel like there's so many more levels to unlock, and I like how new types of workers and structures that you can build are unlocked at every level. So yeah, you guys definitely have to check this one out. I'll have to probably make a part 2 of this one for a series. Alright, thanks so much, y'all, and catch y'all next time.